Hello guys, it's been a long time. Magpo-post na naman ako ng unboxing video here on my YT account. Sabi ko pa naman before, magiging active na ako. Pero ayun, palitaw mood pa rin pala ako, lulubog lilitaw. Anyways, dalawa lang muna yung unbox ko at I am still experimenting my lighting again. Kasi parang medyo off. So itong first na i-unbox, na-curious lang talaga ako sa itsura. Parang unusual baga. Since first time ko pala mag-open ng ganitong series, okay lang kahit ano. To see if magta-try pa ba ako uli ng another one. Or baka hindi na. May kwento pala ako sa inyo. Alam nyo, I love toys guys. Alam nyo ba, nung bata ko, hindi ako nabibilihan ng gusto ko or ng prefer kong toys. Kaya siguro nung nagka-work ako up until now, nangongolekta pa rin ako. Not just para may patanayan sa magulang, but to say to myself or i-motivate yung sarili ko na you have to keep moving forward in life. Tumbarin mo lahat ng gusto mo kagaya ng pangarap mo. Makabili ng laruan na gusto mo. Before kasi ragdolls binibili sa akin. Pero, I hate dolls. I like mini cars. I like Gundam. So, on my second unboxing, same din na first item on this series, yung The Peace Beginnings or The Peace Begins of Skull Panda. I'm sorry. Ito kahit ano rin makuha ko kasi wala namang tapon sa lahat ng designs. Super ganda talaga ng Skull Panda but sadly I cannot afford to buy all of them or yung complete set agad-agad as of the moment. Adulting is hard so paunti-unti lang muna. Ang unique ng nakuha ko guys, this is the egg cup. Ang unique ng style niya, no? Sana if ever bibili man ako ulit, next time, yung grape scissors naman or yung kambal, I saw a customized one na ginawang yin and yang. Yeah, yun, ganon. So, yun lang guys. Alam ko nakaka-boring itong ginawa ko unboxing. See you again on my next upload. Bye!